Relations. Let A and B be any two non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B satisfying some specified conditions. Okay. Now you see A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and B equal to 4, 8. If R is a relation defined by E is less than from A to B. So R equal to, open the bracket, first one 1. 1 is less than 4. So you write 1, 4. Next 1, 8. 1 less than 8. So you write 1, 8. Next 3. 3, 4. 3 less than 4. So you write 3, 4. Next 3, 8. 3 is less than 8. So you write. Next 5, 4. 5 is greater than 4. So no need to write. 5, 8. 5 is less than 8. So you write 5, 8. Next 7, 4. 7 is greater than 4. So you no need to write. Next 7, 8. 7 is less than 8. So you write. A cross B you find it. How you find? First all the elements in A with all elements in B. So you write 1, 4, 1, 8. Next 3, 4, 3, 8. Next 5, 4, 5, 8. 7, 4, 7, 8. You check it. Number of A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of B equal to 2. So in A cross B, 4 into 2, 8 ordered pairs are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, your answer is right. Now you see 1, 4, here 1, 4. 1, 8 is there. 3, 4. 3, 8. 5, 8. 7, 8. So R is a subset of A cross B. Okay. Now you take page number 9, exercise number 1.2. First sum. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 7 and B equal to 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Which of the following are relation from A to B? First one, R1 equal to set of ordered pairs 2, 1, 7, 1 given. We want to see R1 is a relation from A to B or not a relation from A to B. For that first we write A cross B. A set A, first you write set A, next set B, then A cross B you write. You check it. Number of A 4, number of B also 4. So 4 4s are 16. Here 16 ordered pairs are there. Okay. Now you see ordered pair R1 equal to 2, 1, 7, 1. No. Here 2, 1 you take. Ordered pair 2, 1 you take. This one belongs to A cross B or not? You see 2, 1. You see 2, 3, 2, 0, 2 minus 1 is there. But 2, 1 is not there. So 2, 1 is not belongs to A cross B. Okay. Next 7, 1. 7, 1. You see 7, 1, 7. But 7, 1 you want. 7, 3, 7, 0, 7 minus 7, 7. So 7, 1 is not belongs to A cross B. So R1 is not a relation from A to B. Okay. R1 is not a relation from A to B. Okay, next second sum. Second sum, R2 equal to minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. You see, minus 1 ordered per minus 1, 1 is belongs to A cross B or not? Minus 1, 1. No. So, minus 1, 1 does not belongs to A cross B. So, R2 also is not a relation from A to B. R2 is also not a relation A to B. Okay. Next, third. Third, R3. Here, third R3 equal to 2 minus 1, 7, 7, 1, 3. You see here 2 minus 1 belongs to A cross B or not? 2 minus 1. Here 2 minus 1. So you write 2 minus 1 is belongs to A cross B. Next 7, 7. 7, 7 is there. So 7, 7 is belongs to A cross B. Next 1, 3. 1, 3 is there. So 1, 3 is belongs to A cross B. So R3 is a relation from A to B. R3 is a relation from A to B. Okay. Next, fourth sum. Next, fourth one. Fourth one, R4. R4 equal to 7 minus 1, 0, 3, 3, 3, 0, 7. Now you see 7, 1 belongs to A cross B or not? 7 minus 1 is there. 7 minus 1 belongs to A cross B. Next 0, 3. No, 3, 0 only is there. So 0, 3 does not belong to A cross B. Next 3, 3. 3, 3 is there. So you write 3, 3 belongs to A cross B. Next 0, 7. 0, 7. You see 0, 7 is there or not? No. So 0, 7 does not belongs to A cross B. Okay. So R4 is not a relation, is not a relation from A to B. Okay. This question come with 5 mark in exam, means you will do like this, A cross B, find A cross B and do like this. Otherwise, 1 or 2 more, you no need to write A cross B and do. Just you see and write. Here, 7, first element. So, in 7 is in A. Second element -1, okay. Next, 0, 3. 0 is not in A. So, you simply said R4 is not a relation from A to B. You see first one, 2, 1, 7, 1. First one, that is R1. This one, okay, wow? Next, you see first one. First one, what? That is R1 equal to 2, 1, 7, 1. 2 belongs to A, okay. But 1 is not belong to what? A is not a element in B. So, is just simply said R1 is not a relation between A to B. Okay. R2 -1, 1. Same way. -1 is not in A. So, R2 is not a relation from A to B. Third one, last time only we see. Okay. 2 -1, 2 is in A, -1 is in B. 7, 7. 7 is in A, 7 is in B. Next 1, 3. 1 is in A, 3 is in B. So, R3 is relation from A to B. Okay. Now you see here A equal to 1, 2, 3, 7. B equal to 3, 0, -1, 7. R3 2 -1, 7, 7, 1, 3 is relation. You find no? 2 -1 is there. Okay, 7, 7, 1, 3. In the here, set of A called domain. Set of A is called domain. Set of B is called codomain. Set of B is called codomain. Hence a set, that is or relation, that one called range. That one called range.